Hello again, my friends, and welcome to the exercise number 4 in the complete Java developer course on Udemy. So in this exercise, we are going to create a Java program that converts a string to an integer and vice versa. So how to convert a string to an integer? Well, I meant by this exercise to transform the string for example, string k equal to 10. So this is a string having inside it an integer, and we are not converting like this. This is string of letters. We are going to transform or convert the string having a numeric value inside it. So string k is a numeric value. So why we need to convert a string to an integer? For example, if I have a string m equal to 6, so if I put system.out.print k plus m, so what do you think it will give us? Not 16. It will give us 106, and it is 10 and 6. It's just putting the numbers here inside near each other. These are the values of these are variables. So these are variables k and m of string type, and they are not getting the values of them and making the operation. So k plus m is putting just the string here and concatenate it with the other string. In order to make this happen and make the operation, the addition operation comes through and start making the operation correctly, we need to convert the string to the integer. So in order to convert it, I need to create an integer k, integer I equal. It is the converted type of k, and I need to convert the k first. So integer, we start by the capital letter. This is a class. We have an integer, the primitive data, and we have an integer class, okay, which extends number. And we will learn about the extending and the inheritance and more polymorphism and much more in the next videos and in OOP. But till now, we need to convert the number, the string to an integer. So we start by integer dot parse integer. So this is a method inside the integer class and allowing us to convert the string to an integer. It's very simple. It's in one line, in 2 words. We can convert a string to an integer. Now let's create the other one. Integer n equal to integer. In the same way, I am converting m into an integer. So parse integer m. Okay. So now, despite using, I will show you. I will keep this. I will not remove it because I need to demonstrate how it will work. So system.out.print ln is equal to I plus n. So this will give us the result and compare what are and why we are doing this. So as I told you, let us run. The first one is equal to k plus m, and k is a string and m is a string, so they concatenate each other, and then they put 10 and then print 6. So this is the system.out.print of the strings. As I told you, it is a concatenation, and they cannot realize that I need to make the operation, the addition operation between the numerics of the string. In the second line, since we have converted the strings to an integer, now I is an integer of value 10. I can make multiply, addition, modulus, division, and whatever you want, any operation on it. So I convert k into I, m into n, m is a string, n an integer. I add I and n, so I get 16. So in this way, we have converted the string into an integer. Now, let's convert an integer to a string, okay? So, converting string to, the integer to string. Okay? So, if I have, let me take I, I will take it from scratch and equal to 100. Okay. I need to convert j into a string. Okay? So, I need to convert integer to a string. So I start by a string variable equal to L, and this string L, it will takes the integer j and converts into a string. So I will start by string dot value of, and you see here the parameter of type int, character, and long. Don't worry, we will learn this in deep and in details in next lessons. So till now, just understand integer.parseInt, it's used to convert a string to an integer, and if I need to convert an integer to a string, I use string.valueOf, and I pass the value of integer I need to convert. Now system.out.print, I need to convert, I need to print L. It will give the same result, but now L is a type of string. I put here LM. It is an string having a value 100. And in order to test it, so I will take a string here and string here plus k. It will give us 100 and it's next to it 10. Okay, you see guys, and in this way we have converted the string to an integer and an integer to a string. Okay, so I hope you benefit from our video, and I hope you continue with our course to be professional, and we will learn more and more advanced courses and more advanced concepts. Till now, we are satisfied with some exercises, and maybe we will add new exercises later on and next videos. So I hope you stay safe and continue with us and write every note you think it is important in your copybook. So thank you guys. See you next video.